Did you know that sloths are so slow that algae and fungi thrive on their fur, turning them into moving ecosystems? The green tint from the algae isn't just a quirky feature. It provides natural camouflage, helping them blend seamlessly into the trees and avoid predators like harpy eagles. But that's not all. Their fur is home to tiny creatures, including moths and beetles, which rely on the sloth's movements to complete their life cycles. In return, the algae and fungi may provide the sloth with nutrients absorbed through their skin. These gentle creatures aren't just slow movers, they're an integral part of their forest's ecosystem.
Follow the fact stash.